Greetings once again to Farm Vibes Life. Do you have a fondness for pomegranates? Share your thoughts on the flavor of this fruit. Today, we embark on an exhilarating adventure. We are embarking on a journey to the largest pomegranate farm in the world to observe the intricate processes of cultivation, harvesting, production, and export of this remarkable fruit. Our journey begins by exploring the basic stages of pomegranate growing. The journey begins with digging the ground for the pomegranate tree to take root. Each field has its own distinct approach, but the core principles remain consistent. The soil is meticulously prepared to ensure optimal growing conditions for young pomegranate trees. After planting, young trees need careful care. During the first month, the pomegranate tree begins to form, looking like a small bush. This is a critical time for growth, and the plant must be pruned to promote vigorous growth. Pruning requires great care, as it prevents the plant from becoming too dense, which can block sunlight and impede air circulation. Pest management is an essential part of pomegranate growing. Eco-friendly pesticides are used to protect plants from pests that can damage leaves and hinder growth. The team is committed to maintaining the highest standards of organic farming, ensuring that pomegranates are not only safe, but also delicious. Pomegranate trees typically take about 3 to 5 years to mature and begin the flowering process. Before your eyes is a field of bright red pomegranate flowers, attracting thousands of honeybees. Bees play an essential role in the pollination of pomegranate flowers, moving gently from flower to flower, transporting tiny but invaluable pollen grains. Thanks to the hard work of bees, the pollination process is seamless, ensuring the pomegranate tree produces a bountiful harvest of exceptional fruits. The path from seed to harvest of pomegranate is a long and careful process. During this period, it is essential to be patient and manage things carefully. The farmer diligently watches the plants, making sure they have enough water and nutrients they need. This farm's legendary pomegranates are the result of long-term dedication to cultivating the plants. Ripe pomegranates signal the coming of a new harvest. Pomegranates are exquisite fruits, their tender skins susceptible to damage if treated carelessly. Therefore, the entire harvesting process is done manually. These skilled individuals meticulously select each fruit, ensuring they are intact and flawless. People meticulously select each pomegranate, gently putting it in a basket or bag. When the basket is full, they deftly transfer the pomegranates to the cart, continuing this rhythmic motion until the cart is filled with fruit. As the last baskets were picked up, the cart was now filled with the ripe pomegranates, ready for the next leg to the processing facility. enjoy the highest quality pomegranate juice, free from any contaminants. This farm not only distributes locally, but also has a strong export business. Pomegranate in packaging and bottled juice is shipped to many countries around the world. This global presence allows pomegranate enthusiasts everywhere to enjoy the exceptional products available. The scale of operations at this farm is truly remarkable. From the vast fields where pomegranates thrive under the California sun, to the state-of-the-art facilities where the fruit is meticulously processed, every step reflects the team's unwavering commitment and skill. The farm uses advanced farming methods and environmentally friendly practices to ensure the long-term vitality of the orchard and surrounding ecosystem. Have you ever tasted the flavor of pomegranate juice or the delight of a whole pomegranate? If you have not tried it yet, visit this farm to pique your interest in tasting these wonderful products. This juice stands out for its bright color and refreshing taste, packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Their dedication to quality extends beyond agriculture and manufacturing. They focus on research and development, striving to consistently improve their processes and products. Through the adoption of advanced agricultural technologies and environmentally